Hello all friends, today we are gonna teach you how to connect this remote control with LG411 playing card device. Okay, now let's check. We are going inside the system. This is LG411 model, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the second password is 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, and we put here remote control and pair and any button you can put. Maybe we put on number 5. See here now already pair. We back, and any game we play, maybe now we are play for flash game. Okay, on flash game. Okay, we back. Maybe we play for Texas Hold'em. And A B for player. Okay, now this remote is already paired.